From Garage to House is a story of transformation and restraint. 60 years after its life as a humble woodworker's warehouse, this modest industrial shell finds new meaning as a home, honoring its past while gently opening to new life. The preservation of the party walls, combined with a new timber-framed upper floor, balances heritage and renewal. A light wood roof crowns the building, softening the industrial form and honoring the material origin. A new metal structure elevates the first floor slab, integrating only on the existing party walls and 2 basement points, avoiding heavy demolitions. The worn traditional truss was replaced by a Vurendal beam and repurposed into furniture, kitchen table, shelves and bathroom cabinet, fusing craft and legacy. The ground level retains its diaphanous nature. Original garage volume now hosts combined living, dining and kitchen areas opening out onto a new terrace. Upstairs, the layout is defined by structure. A distributor study flows into 3 bedrooms, a gallery and bathroom, ordered by beams and form. Strategically placed roof openings promote a chimney effect, drawing natural cross-ventilation through the house. Insulation on the existing party and backyard facades ensures energy efficiency while light complements warmth and openness. A restrained palette, reclaimed wood, original beams, steel structure and subtle finishes. Every material resonates with story and simplicity. Interiors are thoughtful and minimal, crafted furniture narrates past life. Open-plan living foregrounds connection and memory. One of the most striking interior elements is the green-painted steel beams, a bold yet refined choice that adds a subtle layer of character to the minimalist palette. The new terrace and patio establish an intimate dialogue between house and garden, inviting air, light, and ritual back into the fabric. From Garage to House is architecture as empathy, where structure is honored, memory repurposed, and modesty becomes poetry. It's a house that remembers what it was, and listens to what it has become.